Hey, Stephen Gilbert RC here. We've got me and my son's Losi Mini T 2.0. Mine has been upgraded to the brushless system, and then my son's is stock. So what we're going to do is we're going to speed test it with a GPS. I'm going to take the stock body, the only one that I have left that's not completely changed. I put it on both of them with a GPS and speed run them down the road and see what we get. The only issue I might have is that the tires on this are completely gone and these are still here, so I may do a tire swap as well to get all equality. Or maybe that little bit of tread doesn't make a difference. We'll see, especially if this is faster by a whole 5 or 10 miles an hour. I don't think that would make that much of a difference. The only issue I ran into when putting the brushless system into this was the cable off the servo was too short and I didn't have an extender, so I had to put the receiver like this on its side to reach. I'll get an extender, then move everything farther back and prettier, because what that does is makes the antenna really short. So I'm going to get the GPS is charging up now, these two are charging up, and then we're going to take it outside and go for a run. So we got the brushless going up first, zero it out, do a few runs, see how it goes. Okay, this lens might get loud, apologize. Oh man, I forgot how slow these were. I may just need one run. Zoom. Oh, that's it. Yep. Okay. $14 miles an hour. You probably can't see that. But yeah, 14 miles an hour. Let's reset this one more time. Okay. You know, the brushless. You can tell by the balding wheels and the ridiculous speed. Oops. I'm gonna go remove that stick down there. I keep hitting that. Okay, let's see what the speed difference was. Oh wow. Probably can't see it again, but 24 miles per hour. That's pretty damn quick. It's a 10 mile an hour difference. Let's wait for this Cadillac to get out of the way. So. What? Let's see if I can get to 25 once this Cadillac moves. Well, he's taking his good old time. Come on, Grandpa. Nope, 24. Seems to be where I'm topping out at. So, if you want to know the difference between the brushed and the brushless, and as far as speed, about 10 miles an hour, pretty easily. Both are fun little cars to drive, though. Thank you guys for watching. This is Stephen Gilbert RC and Charlie here. Say bye, Charlie.
Bye, Charlie.
Bye.